Good morning, students. Types of doctors, GK, page 44. When we are unwell, we rush to a doctor. The first doctor we meet is general practitioner. But many doctors do extra studies and specialize in treating illness or disease related to the specific parts of the body. Their names are usually taken from Greek or Latin. Now, in this, you will see that when we are facing different types of illness, we used to go to different types of doctors. We don't go to a same doctor. For example, cardiologist, dentist, neurologist, surgeon, etc. So these all are very first started from the Greek. On page 44, Greek letters are given, Greek words, cardiac. So in English we called it heart. Dentist, in English it is known as tooth. So these all are different types of Greek words which are also converted in English. Now let's see what are the different types of specialist doctors are doing. So page 45, first one, cardiologist. So cardiologist is an expert at treating the heart and many disease issues related to the heart. Dentist, it is again related with our teeth and gums. Gynecologist, it is specialized in dealing with women, childbirth and related issues. Dermatologist is a doctor who studies about the skin and disease related to the skin. Neurologist, it is the expert of human brains and nervous system. Oncologist helps to treat and prevent cancer. An ENT specialist. ENT specialist means ears, nose, throat. Any of the problem if you are having related to this, you can contact to ENT. Pediatrician. This pediatrician is treating with the children, the infants, the small children, their health issues. Orthopedic surgeon, it deals with the skeletal system such as bones and all that. Plastic surgeon is a doctor who performs cosmetic surgery that change the way a person looks. Plastic surgeon, as I told you, it deals with the cosmetic surgery. Psychiatrist is a doctor specialized in treating patients with mental illness and behavioral disorders. And last, surgeon, it performs the operations from head to the feet.